Hi everyone, and welcome to our video on how effectively ChatGPT can be used. For those who may not be familiar, ChatGPT stands for Chat Generative Pre-trained Transformer. It is a type of artificial intelligence that is designed to assist with tasks such as customer service and content creation by generating human-like responses to prompts. So, how can ChatGPT be used effectively? Let's dive in. First and foremost, ChatGPT can be a great tool for handling customer service inquiries. Imagine you own a small business and you receive a high volume of customer inquiries through social media or email. It can be tough to keep up with all of the messages, especially if you are a one-person operation. That's where ChatGPT comes in. By setting up ChatGPT to handle basic customer inquiries, you can free up your time to focus on more important tasks. ChatGPT can provide quick and accurate responses to common questions, such as shipping times and product availability. And if it comes across a question it can't answer, it can easily redirect the customer to a human representative for further assistance. But ChatGPT isn't just limited to customer service. It can also be a valuable asset for content creation. If you run a blog or social media account, you know how time-consuming it can be to constantly come up with new ideas and create engaging content. ChatGPT can help with this by generating ideas and even writing entire articles or social media posts based on prompts you give it. Of course, it's important to note that ChatGPT is not a replacement for human writers. It is simply a tool to assist with the writing process and generate ideas. It's up to the human writer to take those ideas and turn them into cohesive, well-written pieces. So, how do you set up ChatGPT and start using it effectively? First, you'll need to choose a ChatGPT platform to use. There are several options available, each with its own set of features and pricing. It's important to research and compare the different options to find the one that best fits your needs. Once you've chosen a platform, it's time to set up your ChatGPT. This will typically involve creating a brain for your ChatGPT, which is essentially a collection of data and information that it can draw from when generating responses. You can customize your brain by adding your own data, such as information about your business or industry, as well as integrating external sources like Wikipedia. Once your ChatGPT is set up and trained, you can start using it to assist with tasks such as customer service and content creation. For customer service, you can set up ChatGPT to handle common inquiries and redirect more complex questions to a human representative. For content creation, you can use ChatGPT to generate ideas and even write entire articles or social media posts based on prompts you give it. Using ChatGPT effectively requires some trial and error. It may take a bit of time to fine-tune your ChatGPT and get it working the way you want it to. But once you've got it set up and running smoothly, it can be an invaluable tool for handling customer service inquiries and creating engaging content. So, there you have it, a quick overview of how ChatGPT can be used effectively. We hope you found this video helpful and that you're now a bit more familiar with ChatGPT and how it can benefit your business or content creation efforts. And by the way, the script for this video is completely written by ChatGPT. Thanks for watching.